I'm Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bailey. Thanks for checking out this weather webcast on this Thursday afternoon. Boy, it is a beautiful day as we record this around 3:30. We look in Galesburg, a lot of sunshine, just a few clouds out there. Same thing over in Pontiac. Yeah, you can see a few little cumulus clouds trying to pop, but mainly blue in those skies. Same thing over from East Peoria. Crystal clear skies looking over the skyline of downtown Peoria. And we are cloud-free for the most part across the region. Should stay that way for at least the next 24 hours. Big ridge of high pressure is in control for us. We'll keep an eye on that storm system that's at the top left portion of your screen out west. That will be maybe our next rainmaker as we head into the Mother's Day weekend. More on that in a second. 68 in Peoria, 68 Bloomington, 73 in Galesburg, 73 Macomb and Havana. Pretty nice across the Midwest. A little bit cooler out east. 63 in Detroit and 61 in Pittsburgh, but we're talking 70s and 80s out towards the Central Plains. Watching morning map, again, a few frost advisories for northern lower peninsula of Michigan. Also into the central portions of Pennsylvania with frost advisories and then wind advisories out into the Dakotas. Everywhere else is pretty quiet. Across the Great Lakes, because of that big ridge, that's why we're real quiet, but that's also why we have the cooler temperatures up in northern Michigan. A cold front will work through, it looks like, starting Saturday, and that could squeeze a few showers and storms across our region. We'll have to keep a careful eye on it. Not a lot of moisture with it. It'll be very much hit or miss, so we're not going to be talking about an all-day rain on Saturday, nor an all-day rain on Sunday, but hit or miss chances throughout the period. Nice warm-up should be on the way as well. As temperatures are struggling to get around 70, we should be jumping into the mid-70s tomorrow. Maybe a little bit cooler for the weekend on the back end of that frontal boundary that moves on through, but still we should be in the low 70s for both Saturday and Sunday, and much of next week looking to be very quiet as well. You'll see this here on the long-range pattern as jet stream stays well to the north, and we're in a relatively quiet pattern once this cold front moves on through for the weekend. We'll be dry through much of next week. Looks like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week looks to be very dry and mild. We'll start it off in the low 70s, but by midweek we should be in the mid-70s, and possibly by next Friday we get with highs in the upper 70s, so not looking too bad for next week. That'll do it for your weather webcast on this Thursday afternoon. We'll have updates on our blog, also on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. And if you're local to us, we invite you to join us for WMBD 31 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. I'm Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bailey. Have a great Thursday evening.